Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to retrieve Blockman Go account. If you want to keep on playing the same account with the Blockman Go app, today's video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, find the Blockman Go app on your home screen. Now open it. Once you open the app, here you can find the sticker option like this. Go ahead and select it. Next, here you can find the option of account security at the bottom. Simply tap on it. Now, to retrieve the account, you can simply bind the account to the Facebook or Google app. If you bind your Blockman Go account with these accounts, then even after you uninstall the game, you can retrieve your account very easily. Like this, you can choose even Facebook or even Google. Or you can also add the set binding mailbox and add your next email. And that's it. This is how you gonna retrieve your Blockman Go account, binding your emails or other social accounts. Now don't worry even if you uninstall your game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.